Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Affiliates Dan. This is Danish, and once again I bring you my weekly update using my leads Gen secret. It's kind of a mini review. And before I take you to the dashboard of my lead gen secret, I would appreciate if you can subscribe to my channel and hit the like button because I've been doing this for quite some time and I can really use some support. With that out of the way, let's go to the login page of my lead gen secret. Login. There we are. This is the main dashboard. First thing first, I will take you to this section where I can show you how many leads I have accumulated since the day I started doing this. 27,500 quality leads, which are mine. I can download, use it somewhere else. It's completely fine, fine. Yes, yes. And no other system is doing this. This is really amazing that My Lead Gen Secret is providing you quality vetted leads. So after this, I will show you my mission. Now, if uh, you have seen my last video, you will know that this was the last commission that I received. Then I have received all these commissions. First one is a level three. No. One is level level two. Level two. Yes, this is a level two sale, which I level two sale commission rather, which I received I don't know on 14th, 12th. And this person also upgraded by buying to one-time offer, and after that I received a recurring commission of a level 3 sale, then a commission direct sale, then another recurring commission of a level 2 sale, and finally a recurring commission of another direct sale. Now, if I scroll down bottom, you will see that so far I have earned $507 from using them, and I am promoting just my lead gen secret. And that doesn't mean that people who have joined my lead gen secret cannot promote anything else. You can promote whatever you want from Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JV Zoo, whatever drops your boat, and doable. There are no restrictions. So if you are watching this video for the first time, if you've never been to my channel and you're interested in learning about my lead gen secret, I would appreciate if you could click the link at the right top corner of this video, which is a link to the list that I have prepared, list of videos, and it just covers my journey from day one till I don't know day 60th, I guess. And you can learn a lot about my lead gen secret, how it's done, how often uh, bonuses and whatnot. So take a look at that. And that I will be ending the video, and I will see you guys next week with another update. Until then, take care of yourselves and others around you. Bye bye.